Did you know that a day on Venus lasts longer than a year on Earth? Yes, you heard it right. This fascinating fact about our neighboring planet comes down to its leisurely pace. You see, Venus takes its sweet time spinning on its axis, so much so that its day outlasts its year. It's a mind-boggling piece of cosmic trivia that flips our earthly perceptions of time and space on their head. Now, wouldn't that be something? With such a long day, imagine how much you could get done. Now let's dive into our countdown with fact number 10. Here's something to make your brain freeze. Hot water freezes faster than cold water. Yes, you heard it right. This quirky phenomenon is known as the Mpemba effect. But why does this happen? Well, scientists are still scratching their heads over this one. Some propose it's due to evaporation, which cools the hot water down swiftly, while others reckon it's about convection currents causing a quicker freeze. That's right, for your ice cubes, hot water is the quick fix. Moving on to fact number 9. Did you know you, an adult human, are made of a staggering 7 octillion atoms? Yes, that's a 7 followed by 27 zeros. It's an almost incomprehensible number, isn't it? But it's these very atoms that make up everything we see, touch, and feel. From the grandest mountains to the tiniest grains of sand, from the stars in the sky to the cells in our bodies. So remember, you're not small, you're just made of a lot of really small things. Ready for fact number 8? Here it comes. Have you ever pondered where the air we breathe originates? Well, a staggering 20% of the Earth's oxygen is produced by the Amazon rainforest. Yes, you heard it right, the Amazon rainforest. This vast green expanse plays a crucial role in maintaining the health of our planet by acting as a giant lung, absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. So the next time you take a deep breath, remember to thank the Amazon for that fresh oxygen. Let's leap into fact number 7. Strap in for a wild ride, folks, because this one is a doozy. Did you know that humans share 50% of their DNA with bananas? Yes, bananas. DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid, is the genetic code that makes us who we are. This code is not as unique as you might think. Even though we seem worlds apart from a simple banana, our genetic makeup tells a different story. Next time you eat a banana, remember, it's like a distant cousin. Now, we're halfway through with fact number 6. Here's a fun sun fact. The light you see when you look up at our bright star isn't instant. In fact, it's taken around 8 minutes and 20 seconds to travel the colossal 93 million miles from the sun to your eyes. This brings us to the concept of a light year, a distance that light travels in a year, which is nearly 6 trillion miles. This gives us a sense of just how vast our universe is. So when you look at the sun, you're actually looking into the past. Let's delve into fact number 5. Imagine if I told you that your brain, the powerhouse of your body, operates on just 10 watts of power. Yes, you heard that right. The human brain, with its billions of neurons and trillions of connections, runs on less power than a standard light bulb. This incredible organ, responsible for every thought, emotion, and action, is a marvel of energy efficiency. It's truly astounding to think about the intricate and efficient workings of our minds. Who knew that your brain is more energy efficient than a light bulb? Ready for fact number 4? Let's go. It might be hard to believe, but a single cloud can weigh more than 1 million pounds. Yes, you heard it right. Now, you're probably wondering, how is that possible? Well, clouds are formed from water vapor that condenses into tiny water droplets or ice particles. The vast number of these tiny particles can add up to some serious weight. But don't worry, they don't fall down because the air beneath is even heavier. So, next time you see a cloud, remember that's a million-pound marvel floating above you. Moving on to our top 3 with fact number 3. Now brace yourself for a scorching revelation. The Earth's core, that's right, the very core beneath our feet, is as hot as the surface of the sun. Imagine that. This intense heat plays a crucial role in shaping our planet. It drives geological activities like earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. It even influences weather patterns on the surface. If you ever wondered where all this earthly drama originates, look no further than the fiery furnace beneath us. So beneath us is a heat as intense as the sun's surface. We're almost there with fact number 2. Let's dive into the fascinating world of atoms. Picture a single grain of sand, seemingly insignificant in the grand scheme of things. Yet within that tiny particle, there are more atoms than there are stars in the entire universe. It's a mind-bending thought, isn't it? This duality of vastness, the atomic world versus the astronomical world, is truly a testament to the infinite wonders of science. Remember, sometimes the smallest things hold the biggest wonders. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for, our number 1 science fun fact. Prepare to be amazed as we delve into the world of permutations and combinations. Did you know that there are more ways to arrange a deck of cards than there are atoms on Earth? Yes, you heard it right. Let's break it down a bit. A deck of cards has 52 unique pieces. When you start to shuffle this deck, the possibilities of arrangement start to multiply exponentially. This multiplication is due to a mathematical concept called permutations. Essentially, permutations consider the arrangement of objects where the order of selection is important. So, when you calculate the permutations for a 52-card deck, the number is so astronomically high it surpasses the estimated number of atoms on Earth. It's nearly 8 times 10 to the 67th power. That's a number with 68 digits. So, every time you shuffle a deck of cards, chances are you're holding a combination that's never existed before. Isn't science amazing?